There are a lot of hidden talent in North Karnataka and Hubli Dharwad. To lack of very good school, people migrate to other part of Karnataka. So then in 2007, we came with the concept of the school called Sanskaar. And the whole theme behind the school is grooming tomorrow's global citizen. Seeing is believing, that is what we understand nowadays. So we thought that Teachmint can help them to analyze and see things in a very proper manner. Until today, my team members and we are happy using Teachmint.
One good quality of Teachmint is the teacher is sure of its information. Whatever information is given by Teachmint is trustworthy. Otherwise, they had to move to so many other means, confirming whether the information is genuine. So my teachers are very happy because Teachmint has done the basic job, which saves all the time of the teacher. So time saved by using Teachmint is utilized by our teachers for productive purposes. All teachers are not tech savvy, but Teachmint is very easy to operate, very easy to get the information which is required by the teacher.
First primary feature I use is writing on the board. When I put the worksheet on the board, at the same time I can write on the worksheet. That's the feature which has helped me a lot. When the worksheet is right there on the board and right in front of them, they connect it with the topic quickly. In the beginning, it saves around 40 to 50% of my time to begin the class.
And I'm teaching, if I come across any word, so quickly I write on the panel board and then I circle it and then I go for a search option. So that option I liked it because the minute you search, the image comes or the video will be displayed quickly, and then that will be very easy. There are a lot of changes in my teaching. How I was, it is not the same. My teaching every year, every day, it's better because of this panel.
Keeps the class very engaging, and it is also beneficial for all the types of learners that we have seen. This tool is for simplifying learning as well as for enhancing students' understanding. Using it since last year, digital board, we have the experience is good. We are finding it very effective in our class. So yes, I would suggest other schools, if they have such tools in their school, it's definitely going to help the teacher as well as the students.